Improve your system's responsiveness, run apps faster and multitask with ease. Install with ease, no computer skills required. How-to guides available at Crucial. Compatibility assurance when using the Crucial System Scanner or Crucial Advisor tool. Micron quality and reliability is backed by superior component and module-level testing and 42 years of memory expertise. ECC type equals non-ECC, form factor equals UDIMM, pin count equals 240 pin, PC speed equals PC3-12800, voltage equals 1.35 volts, 1.5 volts, rank and configuration equals 2RX8. Top reviews from the United States. Super fast, super accurate description, thanks seller. Price. For the value you can't go wrong. I don't game so can't give any info on that, but for a general use PC it's a great value. Easy fix for older computer. I updated my computer's memory because sloppy code writers continue to write unwieldy programs that eat up memory. It certainly helped my computer to speed up. It was easy to install and works flawlessly.